with Ukraine's heavier rotor drones more commonly using anti-tank mines on their targets. These have the added benefit of damaging or taking out more fortified position, which has been hard to effectively strike with smaller drones. With a wider range of drones becoming more common, Ukraine can use the best suited drone with its capability for a specific mission, making them more effective in striking Russian position and taking out their equipment. Seen here as multiple smaller drones could be needed to take out this building, but the entire building is taken out with one mine payload. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.